So we can chat here now, not sure it in, because I don't want to go over market, you know. I like how the people them come out strong on traffic, you know. I like how the people them come out strong on suck out market. So we can chat before we reach a market. Come down and talk fast. Millionaire lady and the blade, you know. About this, you know, since the plat them now sell. Yeah, I want to load a walk out with 2 plat, 3 plat, 4 plat, 5 plat. I want to alone and walk out. That now sell my love. Easy yourself now. That now sell. You want to make a dig and make a bus. And you alone and call me some my love. Yeah? I look on the plateau. And she can't spell, you know. I rebel family them anyways. So all of them done. Yeah, talk about 5 plat. Rebel want 5 dress code. Rebel want 5 style. Both in a dance, in a closet. And she alone favor the man in the book and the little boy in the Bible. Yeah, she favor Samuel. She alone, my love. So when that is an ugly trio that you know. It's an ugly trio. Cause one of them look like them sketch. The black one look like she sketch. Yeah, but a TC look like she sketch, man. And then the next one, my, mama, my. She sure look like Wingy to that. Yeah, that's the ball. Yeah, them have deformity in them face and in them hole and in them shape. 3 the hard ways for the 3 little boys. So when you come back and attack my baby, look on Rebel naked, she favor Scorpion. And the only girl that will stand up and look like she a crawl. She not have to move. Her shape makes she look like she's mobile. Her shape. Yeah, so come back again here. And Rebel not have no earline. The whole of Rebel edge side name off like TJ. When Rebel catch up her ear, me I say, watch my slay baby far. Watch my slay man. When Rebel catch up for your ear and not them earline name out like them have mirrors me. And them alone have to take off, we gonna earlier so. And then why not? And Rebel ear is very thin. And she not call it Indian, not Japanese. Her ear is very thin. Make we talk about that. Then you know hear Swiss me talk saying the amount of thing Rebel have for your body. Swissley are rotten, Rebel are rotten. Rebel are rotten long time. Rebel are one of them were rotten away. Me don't know how you for have Roland for all your titty. Tell me the truth, then Swissley a real batty you grind, you know. Swissley, you know you're a real batty boy, a real batty you grind, you know, because no girl can tell me say them have fragrance for them all. You're sick. You're sick, punani clean itself and punani for all it, punani odor. Enough people don't know say vagina odor turn on, man, you know. Vagina odor is not rank nor stink. Vagina has an odor. But you see, because no one of the girl are up from one of the pan the nipple. Well, they don't know. It's true. Yeah. Rebel is a cedar weed. It's just the truth. Me don't know if me could have sit on my ear my girl attack so she have Rebel sick. Rebel ill. Rebel are rotten from the inside like the unwanted fat them when she got back on the table and busting her. It's a well I dead people, let me say them stuff in here so anything possible. Rebel one of them will walk and advertise cookie like her front can't stay fresh. Now ask you, afraid a girl like them there. Girl like them they carrier. Afraid a girl like them there. But yeah, you have to take care of your front. Them not understand, you know. Front vagina never make for fragrance. Before they throw some peroxide in a big hole and some retail bleach powder. And pick. When I come out, some know say enough man and no crutches, enough man body head supposed to scratch them. Now ask you. Me now ask. She have Roland for you, so Rebel have Roland because Rebel is a strong man. Pick lady man, thank you. Rebel is a strong man. Me know a girl in and me tell you something. Why females do that? Come here. You see, anytime you find a female, Watch them. You see, if them have to douse themselves in a fragrance, them have bad hygiene. And when I say bad hygiene, meaning that them easily green. I don't care where you put on them green. I used to know this individual. Female. Cause this much enough woman not talk about. I'm gonna say some things and it might touch enough of one girl. Especially the one them in a dance and be skin out and lick out and drink out. You know, says enough woman or woman stronger than man, innocent, as them don't date so, them green. As them don't date them green. Me know girls, people, and this a fact. Me know girls who have vagina stink up house. Your vagina not stinking. Your vagina don't have the odor like for walk with her, sit down and get up and the whole place stink. Me I tell you something. No females now gonna attest to this. But when not have to attest to it, because experience teaches wisdom. You have a lot of females. You see the moment you say you're going to give a man a piece, you're beard already, but the boy take 20 minutes to reach. So you say, no, I'm going to wipe out my own. I don't know what make you have to go wipe out your own. But anyways, I hear a thing that, you see the moment you go wipe out your own and come back now and say, yeah, remember your beard already, you know. You see, if the boy even finger you, if the boy even finger you, make you get wet. The fragrance in the house change. Me I tell you, it not stinking, it's funky. It's funky. Sex not be funky. Because what a lot of females don't understand, you not have to wear ear by your pubic ear by your front. You not have to wear them there by your front for your front green. Some of them have odor in our crotches. Some of the crotches develop odor. Not care how much fandangles on the show underneath. On the number one, on the sun rotten from underneath them. You never know. And the more your fragrance you saw and batten it down, and danger get on the floor if it is going to. Because on a sick and no know, and every STD pronounce, you know, and every STD pronounce. Enough STD in a semen. Let's settle in a semen and wait for activation. Once you now come, you now realize say, wait there, you know, enough for no boy and girl. When you come, you don't even smell it to see how far you gone. If you're sick, you'll have damage. No for uno, and a lot of persons that's when I hear sometimes them talk, and especially is a little girl, you talk every single thing on the app is only an idiot bitch with a really sit down and hear you talk and say, yeah, the boy right, you know, and boy me not like rebel are clean, girl, rebel not clean, rebel have sickness, rebel have hygiene problem, rebel is a dude, rebel is a dude, no girl, me never tell you like if you can wash your front naturally and push it in your drawers with your panty shield and stand up and watch your front go through the day without spraying the time forward in your pom-pom. Something wrong with you. Something you can't tell me say you're healthy. No woman at all cannot sit with me today and tell me say you cannot wash your pom-pom and put it in your drawers and the odor is okay. All it might do is rank like cocky head. And you're gonna tell me say you're healthy. You don't know what you're talking. Think of it good as. You don't know what you're talking about on the app. You don't know. A man can wash his cocky. You understand me? And walk up this or walk down this or walk up this or walk down this or walk come up this or walk come up and take it out. And you can sniff it and suck it. You never know. And enough of the girl just done did. And because when you use up all of the March jug store in a big hole, all when you come back it on a funky. What should be the natural discharge of a healthy vagina? Where you ask me when your vagina, when the discharge smell like bleach. When you come smell like bleach and taste like salt, You talk to me. Yeah. Because if you're gonna ask the natural odor of discharge, you would have known what discharge smell like because and today you come and then today you take compare in your face. Eh? No that no smell. No man you have some come smell raw. What you say? What you say you have some come smell like bleach man, retail bleach. Yeah. You have some come smell like retail bleach. Retail bleach, sure. Exactly, it's a Latin say it have a metallic scent, yeah. I call it bleach. Discharge now have no door. Then all reach a alcohol. No, it's true. If you eat garlic, your pum gonna taste like garlic. Somebody said discharge have no odor. No, it does have an odor. You have some odor for discharge that is high. I think it depends on your intake. You understand? It heightens the fragrance. And then again, true, most of us don't drink water because when we get enough on our attack say, me not drink water, and no females don't drink water. That's another thing. So your discharge, you're embarrassed over your discharge. How long we did have been at the door? For sure. Exactly, pH balance is important. A lot of females, enough man can tell you, say, boy, I not even remember how pum pum odor smelling from me a little picnic. I not even remember when we used to feel up, girl, and you know, you have the little cheesy pum pum odor there because you're natural. No wood not start going at you yet, I just breeze. And that's why you catch gas through your crutches. Yeah. You know, gone are the days from a ton of girl back where you know you smell Alexander McClure. You know, you smell Perry Mason, McLaugh, Indiana Jones. You know, from a ton of girl back where. So when me sit down and me give Swiss to judge a story, but the first girl me really Swissly about here come from because if you didn't ever understand woman, and that's why no fun man can trick me. Because no girl can take. Number one, that turned me off. If me didn't ever know girl that you come on my yard with so much fragrance for your one body, me gone. Me nobody want your crutches. You bury down somewhere you not tell me. You can't tell me this thing, Camille. When me I do it roll-on in my hole. When me I do it roll-on in my hole. Tell me the truth, no chemical to my crutches. People, I'm telling you something. You see if I spray cologne right here so now, even body splash, the whole of me rush up. You never know? The whole of me rush up. Me don't know if nobody else out there have that problem there. But let me say this to you. Anyhow me ever. Somebody come and say, she make me spray. Somebody spray your spray Talia so. I am sensitive. Then you can imagine you or not believing that you're not sensitive or bacterial people underneath you are developed slowly. No, you can understand that. No, you can understand that, my baby. You who claim to say you're not sensitive, you don't realize how much you are damaged the inside because it's not showing on the outside. You never know. No, me know, my baby. Yeah. No, it's true. Then he came, because sometimes you say, oh me, that not bother me. And you used to wonder, oh, you could have do this, and all of a sudden it's affecting you. You know why it affects you? Because it never used to bother you then. And you used to go overboard. Everything should be done in moderation. Sometimes your body needs a time to heal. How one body heal. You understand me? You not stop on yourself. When you really forgot to do a detox out some of the boys them and the youth they want to take. Yeah? Some of the boys them tell you this already, you know. You say if a man sexy with a high odor, very high odor, trust and believe me. And next week you smell the man odor in your pores and in your urine. You don't understand, you don't believe me, you know? Enough for on shame for talk about these things. Enough time on a sex a boy with him over the eye and you sit him over your toilet so and you sex him last week, 2 days ago, you sit him over your toilet so you wonder how your crotches smells. How your crotches smells so? Thank God you get rid of that odor out of you. Enough time when the vaginal is not your own. Now you understand why them say sex is a spiritual contact, it open gateways, and it's true. And we don't stop open all in the gate and we don't have no community. It's true. Open is a portal and cocky are the key. You never know. Yeah. I tell them every day. You take some man, me not like the wrong would you take. You say, no, sir. Sometimes you afraid for go sex the man. Sex but the man when I him. Because he not even know. I feel body odor that he think he must smell him by you. No, my love. Him immune to feel odor, him not smell it by you. So that's why I tell people this every single day. They don't understand that pay order upon the app. I pay or. That's why the girl can walk on and take the man then. You know, say I always look past some man and say, me couldn't there with you. Now care how them up, me couldn't there with you. Number one, you look all funky. Some of them boy clean outside. You ever see some boy going about you with people? All unofficial, you know. Enough nasty man out there, you know. You have some boy going about you, them know you are never going to grind. I see one woman too. Some of the girl nasty, you know, some of we have some nasty girl. Some of we went to see the man in well dressed and from the man back off in shirt. And you put all your mouth on him nipple green, you know. You just suck him nipple with newspaper. That one wrap up for right. Green, yeah? Green, you know? Yeah. Enough people, enough of we girl, we too nasty, man. We're too nasty. Somebody said to the boy, say, what's okay, what is that? The boy just going in the bathroom, go wash off him cocky, now wash nowhere else but him cocky, No man, them nasty, man. Them nasty. No, it's true. Me say, people be ever telling us something. One time I see two smelly going in the room. And while they must text me, I say, me nah lie, on a high. Hey, let me tell you something, a whole heap of nasty people out there, you know. I have to say, let them not smell them what. No, sir. I must tell Jesus. No, it's true. Crazy, them odor high. And when I tell you them I suck them one another, you know. What do you mean when I do in a room? So I'm not a freak. I don't want to see. I want to see Latin. You know, from when me and people are grind, from me I go basic school. Me did have in a porn, you know, me did after in a porn. You know, from when me and people are grind. You talk about what me did in the room. Them could have never grind unless me say, you're mad. Them could have never grind unless me I say, you must be mad. I'm really glad to see you say. For sure, anything could have make that miss me. Yeah, so what me are doing? Then me can't know say sex and one, yes, I mean the one. watch. Eh? Them me don't know what kind of question that you ask me. You sound like the new people, You must be, let's see me now, tell me get bored. The old think man, the room tinky. It tinky. I know me just admire. Me admire how it not affect none of them. It not affect none of them, you know. It not affect none of them. Now come over here so with it, go over candy with that. Go suck your mom and go over candy with that. Now come over here so with it. Yeah. Go over candy with that and run your mouth, your mother. Yeah man, them stomach strong. Them stomach strong, my love, I say strong. Me have to step and look so. You want to see them and yam crashes and a suck body and a suck out tongue. Lord, we don't kill we fat no way. We not kill us, fatten us. Alright? No, it's true. And them little bit and pink. It's true. You see, sometimes when I talk, when I go on like say when I never jump over gutter water yet going in a house. You know, I have to wonder sometimes if you're a human being or which part you derive from. You know? Because I want to know sometimes when you see a couple in the community and me, you know, say from heaven to earth, them not even have ingredients much less have a run and no man are determined, I'm on my blood finger. No man are determined, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah. I want me to talk about again. Yeah, what excitement we live in a community them. We don't know the people who not even have food. And them alone have no fridge, and them still a walk by ice in a 2026. Talk to me now. Them never ever see themselves at own one AC yet. Them still their DVD, them not even reach cable. You don't go like you don't know them people, alright. Oh, Rosalie when she used to sell peanuts. Picture she, all fear sex with that smell now, lock up in a one room. Yeah, cause we not going like saying that we don't know the things then. Picture Rosalie selling nuts, all fear sex with that go. Lock up in a one room because I know Rosalie never ever bathed before she grind. I know she never ever bathed before she grind. Not even now all she go wet the rag and wipe out. Me, my love, me know all of that. Not like the whore when the man come in and she just draw out the condom. She just draw out the condom out her hole. No, some girl bad pan them crutches. So that me I talk about enough time when I see people and I go like say sometimes I wonder if them people I kiss, them couple I kiss. Cause when I look pan them and them out, me I wonder if them share toothbrush or them have any. God believe me, just so sometimes some of them trust some imagination for me. Me just have to wonder, hey girl, me have to wonder what go on in the bedroom because all them people enough. If me know say your man as them talk so them out water get the white people, tourist industry. And then you are going to come and talk about your man while you have to start wonder how you suck that tongue then. You start wonder as your man start talking, mouth kind of start gather. People start coming full of too much excitement, your mouth kind of too conventional. And me I wonder how you settle with him. Me not telling that you could have in our relationship but with not kiss and not peer backers. Or you have separate room, you wake up over this and wake up over here, so the best I want to miss a wacky. Yeah, you could have never do me that. You're mad. As you start talking to the big white spit, them a play piano, you some violin and guitar. Tell them I give rhythm. Yeah? I make musical notes. Me can't bother with that man. Me can't bother with them something them man. You can't cuss in and cuss with your rod. So yeah, you want to make more than one wife. You're going to have an argument with somebody, man. Go suck out your big old mama, you feel cold, I come and say, I eat. It's like TikTok boss. Jesus, I one of the nasty and the craniest image that on the app. Yeah. Nasty and cranny. It's true. It's true. It's true. Him look nasty. Him look like he not spend time brushing teeth. Him just look sick. Him look sick, man. I never see somebody. Hey, we own up some germs, you know. We own up some germs. Him look sick. Jesus. You think me could, hey, triple have a stomach. Triple have a stomach. You know, say Pops YG mode look terrible, but it not big TikTok boss. It not big TikTok. Pops YG mode soddy, you know. Soddy man like 2 pound of fab there. Like if did I eat breeze this morning or sod sale. Yeah. But it's a TikTok boss. TikTok boss. Jesus have mercy. In 6 stomach. Let me tell you, say the man image. 6 stomach, I mean the man image, sick, drunk or stomach. You know, you can't even say him ugly. If that was the case, you could have said, him ugly, man. But no, you can't say him ugly. You just have to go say him sick your stomach. No, you have to say him sick your stomach. I say I never see a brother and him not take pride, like him just leave the soddy yes, like a beard or a moustache. No, crazy, it's true. Nobody never ever tell him say you sick my stomach. You can't even eat a patty when you watch him. That's so bad it look. And then him up in there came and and then him and wide it up. I say, mighty God. No, sir. No, woman have a stomach, that's why you think man a dog, if man a dog, woman a drunk raw. Because it could out of my sense and say me a breed for TikTok boss. You must say mad. Number one, I wouldn't even know him for breed for him. He couldn't even look for me, that go home go beard. Just if I look him look for me. How this? Bam, thank you. Thank you, my baby. No, it's true. Me a woman him couldn't even do that. Me da go home go bathe, me sleep in one dance and he might admire me. If I even want spring water, me a stripping at the dance. Yeah. I'm old me a wash out that thinking did name it. I'm old me a take out time out that thinking did name it for sure. I want nasty looking man, one nasty looking man. Yeah, very nasty. But we'll go over Marky Markland, you know. I'm spend long enough freestyling. Anyways, moving right along. So good, Marky. And for all of the people when I come out and this may always start for my program. I say, oh no, I support a whole heap of things, but not until them start take on the daughters and on a son, we not gonna understand what they used to support. Oh no. Then you are gonna tell me, say, in one call where the states put out rumor. Marking of the education, it's not how you speak the grammar, it's how much of the grammar you understand. In of the education, marking have no education at all. None. The statement is all over. So we might go so. You want to make a comeback, I want to sew up your bottom, I want to stitch it up. Yeah. I want to stitch it up. People have a talk say, so if I never do nobody nothing, they consented to it. No. No. You must understand. I'm going to share something very intelligent because a lot of you guys are so evil. Evil all in our thoughts. To the point where you don't care to analyze the thing properly and come up with justice. Let me say this. A lot of persons in the comment section talk about People are not adult, the people are big people. After him never back gun pan up, you know them way they. Me I just use an analogy before I go down in a speech. You ever see some big fat stay bad girl yet? Wouldn't nobody go like wouldn't say because it's not body shame. This is the truth isn't body shaming. Let me tell you that. That's why I always come when people say Shebada you're ugly, I say I never come here and tell nobody to make cute yet. So we are say I confirm that what I had said. So anyways, moving right along. Wouldn't you ever seen a big fat stay bad girl yet? Me just want somebody answer. Could have somebody slim answer? Yeah, alright. You ever see how them get some nice man yet? You ever see some big fat stay bad girl with some nice man yet? Me just want, me don't want no more yes panda one yeah. But want, when you say something, I want to say Come on, differentiate the first question from the second question. So, and all the times are money, you know. And all the times are money, me will tell you. And every boy can get girl, you know. That's our next thing, and every boy can get girl. I see some boy, them greatest target, because them not have no words, and them not have no deeds, and them not have no coins. So them greatest thing for target, the girl them, were big and stay bad, because them picture say, them have low self-esteem. You notice if you tell a fat girl say you love her, she have it in her heart because within herself she crucify herself already. Me I tell you this, and this is proven, and do not think a lie me I tell. I will never trick myself to a pretty boy when me know my favorite but I will never trick myself. Every day me go into the relationship with a binoculars that look so. Why me? Why me? You have to make me know why me. Or you have to prove to me why me. Me not proof to you. A lot of men, they want some pum with a lip down like it. But would you spend your life with her? No, you would not. She is not the one to stand up in crowd with. You want to go to the door and you want to see the slimmers and the fat as they like. Or suck your mama. Or near out your mama. Or I don't like it, man. Not too provoking. And that's why I can't bother put on no weight, you know. I don't want my it come. Because my son do the fat girl. I want to play with them. I want to play with them. I want me to talk about my last right yesterday. I want me to talk about. I'm going to reach here, so I'm going to say this is some fat girl. I try to remember. I'm going to tell you Marky Markland. Yeah. Marky Markland. Me I come, never make it. Never make my point. Oh wow. Thank you so very much. Yeah. This never say. You see when time we showcase a lifestyle that is not true, we are sending an invite to persons who are beneath us. You know why? We're sending an invite. Is either we want them to be our audience or we want them to be our slave. And it works that way for Marky Markland. When Marky Markland come on the app and ladies, I just do this, I just do that. You know what he's doing? He's selling the business. He's selling the business. He's putting up, we're up for hiring. You understand me? And that is the thing when we notice when people in the comment section stated that they are adults. Now, you will want to work. You will have got through something and I target you. Because I know your needs and I know your wants. So I will not come to you and ask you directly, but I will just showcase my lifestyle in front of you, which is not true. Which is not true. You know, so the first time I go in acting, Maxwell, Mama Man Grant, he said, no man, when you start go on tour, a pure money you're going to make. I know, so I sit down, so I'm talk. And I sit down, so I just say to myself, say, I'm not here to make money. I'm here to entertain the world. And you know, say, no, when I said to me, could that make sense? Afterwards, I know. And that me I tell you, see, Marky Markland and the people that are supporting Marky Markland want shot with shit. And I ask you, he want shot with shit, I want one nail gun for nail up in bottom. Yeah? Yes, Latifula. Yes, Latifula. Then present it in front of you. Enough people do me that. A lot of persons do me that. Present opportunities in front of me. I'm telling them, no, me alright. Because one thing with me, I am not ashamed and afraid of the gospel of Jesus Christ. It is the power of God unto salvation. There is only one thing will last in this world forever, and it's salvation. So let me tell you something. The clock ticks so today, and it ticks so tomorrow, and it ticks so the next day. You never see the clock go back, so true or false. So I will wait until the second hand come round. I will wait till the second hand come round before the minute hand and the hour hand. And if it's not time for the second hand lick me, I will wait on the minute hand. And if it's not time for the minute hand, I will wait on the hour hand. But one of the hand them is my hand because I know the partner woman. That is true. It is so true. Yeah. It is so true. But no. Why? Somebody said they're not going to look about something for me. And when man promise us, we all dearly to it up to the point where it stresses us. You know, sometimes I always wonder. A person that isolates themselves from people, they call them insane, don't, depressed, don't, mad, don't. But you know, so them could really be the smartest and the brightest and the sanest set of individuals. Because oftentimes it must be a choice where we trying to run away from our consciousness because we want to be subconscious while walking around. Honestly, man, me just convinced so. Because me can't understand how something wrong being celebrated. It makes me wonder. Introvert, antisocial, these are words that you don't want to attach yourself to, right? These are adjectives that you don't want to attach yourself to. You understand me? Then some grammar where you don't want to attach yourself to. Talk truth. But what if those are the correct way? Because nobody can tell me say enough time when I'm by on yourself. Not by choice, but let's say by force. You sit by yourself. If you're not strong, you get depressed. True or false? If you should spend the entire day with yourself, you start getting depressed, don't? It doesn't matter how much TV you watch, how much time you sleep, how much radio you play. You understand how much music you play. If that's the case, where you tell yourself that I am going to stick out one day, maybe you're not going to find the message in it, but let us just say, by force you were put to stay by yourself. For 24 hours, you start getting depressed. First and foremost, you start going through your mind the things that you could have been, the things that you could have been doing while you're here. You understand me? The things where you should have done if you did out there. The things that could have happened for you now. You know, you start thinking about all these things, but you never yet say to yourself, say, who am I? Let me see if I can sit down here and tell me how best myself would that treat me. So you see, say you have two persons talking now, don't? But it's a pity one now answer back. So you get there, and when you sit one side, your guilt start coming in front of you. First and foremost, you start thinking about where you want to accomplish and where you could have accomplished and all of them something there. Then secondly now, when all of that done on board, who are you? You can't answer that question there. Because we would love to think that we know who we are. I'm an hairdresser, I'm an actor, I'm a singer. No, that's not what I'm asking you. Who are you? Me not ask you what you do the world define you as. I missed that a while ago. But make it stay, because I don't miss it. You see, oh, we live based on the world's definition. No, Chica, if it's true, we live on the world's definition, so we become very perplexed and stressed when we cannot fulfill the task of the world. And why? Come here again. Did the world ask us to come and live at that their demography? No, the world did not ask us. The world advertised and we purchased. True or false? The world advertised and we purchased. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you ever grow yet with your mama not have it, and you're so humble, and you're loving, and you're nice, and this is working for you. But something just click while you're mature and say you need to have this because people are going to say, true or false? You need to have this because you don't want to feel worse than those who are. Now that statement would have sound like, true, you need to get ambitious, but you are only doing this because you don't want what? The self-made competition in your head where you are developed in your state of poverty. Eh? You see though, you start developing kids. That's when people come from my program and say, Shebby, you look, Jesus, he mash up in this and in that. That's your definition. What's mine? Number one, me not beg on the phone and say me look mash up when I can't contribute to me either. You get what me I say? It's not that we're open for contribution and not begging. And that's what I mean? My energy does not say contribute to me now. Please. Contribute to me. My energy does not give that. You understand me? But this is my choice. Because after which one of you can sit down on a live and look like me? None of you know why? The world done we don't know. Because uno buy into the world. I did not. The world of a follow me not following the world. The Bible says, come from among them, be ye separated and touch not the unclean things. Remember, everybody will chat unclean. And then they realize they will come from among them. You know how nice it is when they can sit down and say, my dirty clothes, and nobody in the have me alone and smell my arm, my mouth, and my crutches. You know how nice me get back to reality, so me know say anytime I smell a scent here out the door, it's me. Excuse me. You know how nice it is? And no fun dead and don't know, oh no. Then when you're in the afterlife now, when the subconsciousness has said to know, when the consciousness has said to know, when the spirit has said to know, who are you? You don't even know yourself. You don't even know yourself. Then you think me live for the world. After the world now grinding. You must be dreaming. You see bad man pants and think it's seeming. Look no. No. And that is a plus. And all who can look good, they are beggars. And if you now watch the switch, first time in your mother days, when you see a man out there a beg, and you know say him on the road that beg, and the community know that he's begging, you could never bring him home to mommy and say, mommy, this is my boyfriend. And mommy say, what's your profession? And daddy say, what's your profession? He's a beggar. Tell me the truth in history. The scripture says, I've never seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seeds begging bread. So me not understand how the things that are unnatural, like as all the normally say, man to woman and woman to man. So only can find woman and woman unnatural, man and man unnatural, and you cannot find these persons begging unnatural. And them are the only beggar we want to call have it in a life. How a beggar supposed to have it in a life? How a beggar supposed to have it in a life? And you alone have it, same have it in a life, but he not stop beg until the day he die. He will never have it. You never know. Exactly, Jamaican bad boy. How? Oh, you have this one is beg, you beg. What about when you accomplish all of these things now and time for maintenance and the begging is of no more? It's of no more. How are you going to maintain those? That's where the selling comes in. And that's where the selling come in. You see, so not think, but you know the whole I want to do? The whole I want to just jump and boast and hype. That's how I come on my program and I say, Jesus, please, I can't believe you said the actor. This is the actor. It's the actor. A whole heap of time Michael Jackson have a change in image. Yeah, go to road incognito, go to road like called Jehovah Witness because he want to feel like a part of the world. You never know. You never know. Yeah, me like it when me can know so the dirt a blow off of the ground on my skin and me can feel better. So I say, Jesus, the place dusty, man. Hey girl, what? Yeah, me know what it's like. You know how long I don't take the JUTC bus? And something me used to run down until I get AC. And last night me I know say bus fare $100, senior citizen pay $25. Last night me I know that a somebody tell me.